Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair XIAOMI Vacuum Robot S10 with Android smartphone. And to do this, first we'll need to download the app called XIAOMI Home. I have it on my Android right here. Then you might need to log in or create the account for XIAOMI. And after that, we'll need to click on this plus button in the top right corner of the screen, Add Device. Here it might automatically detect your XIAOMI Vacuum Robot and you can already click on it to start pairing. If not, click on this loop and find your device S10. And it should be here somewhere. Here it is. When you click on it, we'll need to reset our device, and to do that you can click on the power key and home key at the same time. Also make sure that your robot is connected to the power, otherwise it won't work. And actually it might work, but just to be sure, if it's not discharged from battery, I'm having it connected to the charger. So click and hold these two buttons until you hear a voice indicator that the Wi-Fi reset is finished. Okay, one more thing, sorry. We'll need to power it on first, so click and hold the power key.
Its robot vacuum needs to be turned off. Move it away from the charging dock and turn it off.
Now let's hold both of the buttons.
Setting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
Okay, it just restarted our Wi-Fi and we can click on device reset on the app. Now it will scan for this device. And here we need to connect ourselves to the Wi-Fi network so that the robot can, let's say, train from it. And let me make sure that the password is right. I'm using 2.4 band Wi-Fi and I'm not sure if it supports 5G. I'm gonna check it later.
Connecting to the network. Please wait. Connected successfully.
Okay, so it's connected and we can click on done, or actually it clicked on it automatically. So next thing is to set our robot inside the room and we can create a new room. Let's do that, and I want it in backyard. Let's do that. Set the name for your robot. If you're using multiple different robots, you can identify them easier if they have different names. And then we can share our robot with family members. You will send them invite to the app, and I don't want that. Don't prompt. Agree. Organize your home. There's the introduction. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna skip it. And the device is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.